for 3. Oh, powerfully struck by Misbah Haq.
Catch it.
Not timed it. Ryan side bottom. Great running catch. You see the back of Maqsood. Really well judged.
Brave bowling from Chris Schofield. He floated it. It was in the arc from Maqsood. He loves pumping the ball over, extra cover and long off. Great grab. Makes the ground. Gets the hands underneath the ball. Does the big Sid. Maqsood, impressive once again. Goes for 64. And right at the last minute, just picks it up with a bit of a flurry and a flourish. And he carts one through the offside for a boundary.
That was powerfully struck. Long off, long on in place. Just